The tropical rainforest. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is the tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. The major types of animals living in rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. The tropical regions on the earth are the regions which are close to the equator and hence receive more amount of sunlight during the year. Because of this, these areas have a hot climate. The temperature in tropical regions can be as high as 40 degrees Celsius and can drop until 15 degrees Celsius only. The length of the day and night are almost equal in these regions. However, there is a lot of rainfall, and so the tropical rainforests are found in this region. The tropical rainforests are home to a wide variety of vegetation and animals. The major types of animals that can be found in the rainforest include monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. Let us read about the adaptations of these animals to hot, humid climate. The climatic conditions in rainforest are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and variety of animals. Since the animals are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on trees. Red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. To help them live on the trees, monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. As there is competition for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. A striking example is that of the bird toucan, which possesses a long, large beak. This helps a toucan to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. The number of animals living in the tropical rainforest is enormous, so the competition for food and shelter is high. Some animals like the red-eyed frog, they live on tree. The red-eyed frog has sticky pads on its feet in order to make climbing on tree easy for it. Another animal is monkey, which uses its long tail for grasping, that is holding on to the branches of trees which help them to climb the trees in which they live easily. The hands and feet of monkey are such that they can hold on to branches easily. The toucan bird adapt themselves so that they can find food easily. The toucan bird has a large and long beak with which it can reach the food that is found on weaker branches as well. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. This is to protect them from predators. For example, big cats such as lions and tigers have thick skins and sensitive hearing. The lion-tailed macaque, also called beard ape, lives in the rainforest of Western Ghats. Its most outstanding feature is the silver-white mane which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chin. It is a good climber and spends a major part of its life on the tree. It feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaf, stems, flowers, and buds. This bird ape also searches for insects under the bark of the trees. Since it is able to get sufficient food on the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. Many of the animals that live in the tropical rainforest have a good eyesight and better sense of hearing. They have skin colors which helps them to camouflage. What is the meaning of camouflage? It means to hide from the predators by hiding in the surroundings. Lions and tigers have thick skin, sharp eyesight, and sensitive hearing. Speaking of the bird ape, which is also known as the lion-tailed macaque, generally lives on the trees in the tropical rainforest because it can find its food easily on them, such as fruits, seeds, insects, flowers, leaves, and stems. The bird ape also has a silver white mane that starts from its head to its cheek. Another well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant. It has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in many remarkable ways. Look at its trunk. It uses it as a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. They can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in hot and humid climate of the rainforest. The elephant found in the tropical rainforest also have adapted themselves according to the climate. It has huge trunk which gives it nice sense of smell and helps in picking food easily. The elephant also eats barks of the trees. The tusks or large teeth of the elephant allow it to clear the bark of the trees. The large ears of the elephant allow it to hear sensitive sounds that make it easier for it to protect itself from predators. The ears also protect the elephant from hot and humid climate, which is the climate of the rainforest.